Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Lens. To begin, simply open your Amazon shopping app. Look for the small camera icon, typically positioned within the search bar at the top of your screen. Tapping this icon will launch the Amazon Lens feature. Before you start, make sure the app has permission to use your device's camera. This quick setup allows you to instantly transform your phone into a powerful visual shopping tool, ready to discover products around you with just a few taps. Once Amazon Lens is open, you can immediately start scanning. Point your phone's camera at any object, and the Lens Live feature will instantly display matching products in a scrollable carousel at the bottom of your screen. For more precise results, simply tap on a particular item in your live view. You also have the option to upload an existing photo from your gallery or use the barcode scanner for an exact product match, making discovery incredibly flexible and fast. Amazon Lens offers advanced features to help you find exactly what you need. If an image contains multiple items, use the circle to search function to draw a circle around the specific product you're interested in. You can also enhance your search by adding text descriptions, like red or cotton, to uploaded images. Furthermore, the integrated Rufus AI assistant provides quick product summaries and answers your questions in real time, offering valuable insights without ever leaving the camera view. Utilizing Amazon Lens significantly streamlines your shopping experience. It allows you to quickly find and compare products, including prices and delivery options, simply by scanning them, eliminating the need for lengthy text descriptions. For even faster access, consider adding the Amazon Lens widget to your iOS lock screen. This convenient feature lets you launch the camera search instantly, transforming your phone into an efficient shopping assistant that helps you discover and purchase items with remarkable ease and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.